Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of December, it is the Beauty Bakery's Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I will put a link in the description box down below that talks about how to enter that giveaway. I have many other giveaways going on. You guys, I'm giving away the Tati Beauty Palette. I have got a monthly giveaway. I know there is a giveaway up for a 200th video that went up. There's a Neiman Marcus giveaway. I've got tons and tons of stuff. I know some of my upcoming giveaways. I'm gonna do a 600 subscriber giveaway because we just hit that milestone. I'm super excited, and I've already started setting stuff aside for our 700, so help us get there. I know in January there's also a big one for our 1-year anniversary, so lots and lots of exciting things. Number one rule for all my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber to my channel, and I do check you guys. So join us, we have so much fun here. So today we are talking BOXYCHARM. So this one is the premium box. I have already unboxed the BOXYLUXE. I'll put a link for that here, as well as in the description box down below. So you can go check out my unboxing of that one. So there in the premium boxes, there's 6 to 7 full-size products, and the price point is supposed to be a lot higher than the base box as well. I'm still waiting on my base box to get here. So let's open this up and see what's in there. I do have a code for BOXYCHARM. If you want to sign up for them, it kind of helps you out a little bit, and it helps me out as well. Let's dive into the box. I do have version number 30. First item that I am pulling out, I've always wanted to try this. I've only tried a sample before. This is by Bite Beauty. It's the Nighttime Lip Therapy. I know that they are cruelty free. This does retail for $22, and it's a deeply hydrating overnight lip mask. It's a game-changing balm to oil formula for more nourished and supple lips overnight. This lip therapy is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, infused with chamomile bergamot dream scent. This is 0.5 of a fluid ounce. Oh, it does have like a little mini applicator here. That's kind of cool. I really like this scent, you guys. I'm not gonna put it on because I have lipstick on right now, but it feels really hydrating, feels really nice. I think I'm gonna like this one. I'm excited about this. By Glow Recipe, another cruelty-free brand. This is the Watermelon Pink Moisture. It's 60 milliliters, and it retails for $39. By Glow Recipe is a Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I've heard amazing stuff about this. So this is 60 milliliters. This is huge. Retails for $39, and 90% of this Silky Glow moisturizer is spiked with vitamin and amino acid rich watermelon extract, plumping hyaluronic acid, and soothing botanicals like peony and jasmine extracts. This cooling gel emulsion absorbs instantly, that seals in hydration and preps skin for the day ahead. Antioxidants guard against free radicals and repair damaged cells along the way. Use morning and night. It drenches the skin, luscious, long-lasting moisture. So I think I am going to give this one as a gift for this holiday season, for Christmas. So I'm not gonna open it up. I don't want to unseal it or anything like that. What are you guys doing for the holidays? I really want to know. Let me know in the description box down below. From Ciate, London, love my favorite product that they do, my favorite mascara of all time is the Wonder Wand mascara by Ciate London. Love it. Ciate London is cruelty free. This is their Confetti highlighter. It's achieved a sun-kissed glow. Ciate London's Confetti highlighter, featuring a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. Retails for $32. Here's what the packaging looks like. It does have a mirror on this side, and then here are those colors. So it comes off kind of gold, and I don't really do a gold highlighter, so I'm going to be putting this one in one of my upcoming giveaways. By Avant, another cruelty-free brand. I have tried some of their stuff before. They are super expensive. Let's look here. Yeah, this little thing here. So this is 1.69 of a fluid ounce. Does retail for $134. This is the Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye and Night Cream. It's the Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream is a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for face and targeted eye areas. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, deeply nourishes the skin. It also combines the signature ingredients to improve the appearance of enlarged pores and even skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and weakness of skin surface. Everything that I have used, you guys, from this brand has been really, really good. I just don't know about that price point. Little too rich for my blood and my paycheck, which is, yeah, we won't go there. But if you got the money and you want to spend it on this, you know, go ahead. It does, you know, like I said, everything that I have tried from them, I've really, really loved. From Kat Von D is a cake pencil liner. Think of the Luxe blocks. They gave us the tattoo liner. I don't know why they give us two different liners in the same month, but at least it's not the exact same thing. So this one is an unprecedented creaminess, intensely rich color, and budge resistance, waterproof, long-wearing, 100% vegan eyeliner. You don't have to choose between luscious creamy comfort and true performance. This does retail for $19. I have never had really good luck with the Kat Von D brand, getting their products to really work for me, so I think I'm going to be passing this one along. Lastly, from Dose of Color is the Hidden Treasure Palette. Our Hidden Treasure Palette includes 10 eyeshadow shades, perfect for creating a smooth transition between colors and or smoky effect. Retails for $50. The Dose of Colors is cruelty-free. It looks like a little trunk. Oh, these are gorgeous shades. Mirror on this side, and then here are your shades. How do you guys feel when palettes are laid out like this? I really want to know in the comments down below. I am a little just OCD about it, and I think it would drive me nuts. But this ruby shade here, I think is just stunning. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one yet. If I'm going to be putting this one in an upcoming eyeshadow palette monthly giveaway, or if I'm going to keep this one. So I don't want to swatch this one quite just yet. So the total of this box was $296. You only spent $35 on the box. So as long as you get your $35 out of it, I think that it's well worth it. I mean, the Glow recipe itself was $39. That paid for the box itself. I'm giving this as a gift. This agave, I think the Bite Beauty agave, which retails for $22. I think this was my favorite thing in the box. You know, I got stuff for me, I got stuff for you. What did you guys think of this box? Did you guys get something different? Let me know that in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It means the world to me, you guys. When you guys like and subscribe, hit that subscribe button twice. It'll turn on the notifications for you. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.